In this video, we will be looking at coordinating conjunctions. A conjunction is a word that links two or more words, phrases, or clauses together. Coordinating conjunctions give equal importance to the words, phrases, or clauses that they connect. We can remember coordinating conjunctions by using the acronym FANBOYS. This shows us that the 7 coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Let's take a look at some of them in action. I love cheese, yet I dislike milk. I would like to be an astronaut or a famous chef. Anita and Samya are best friends. In each of these sentences, the coordinating conjunction is being used to link two words, phrases, or clauses that are equally important to the sentence. Let's take a look at our first question. Here you are being asked to circle the coordinating conjunction in the sentence. If you would like the chance to win a signed football, send us your best team name ideas or your best kit design. Have you spotted the coordinating conjunction? That's right, it's the word or. In this sentence, or is being used to join your best team name ideas and your best kit design. Both of these things are of equal importance in the sentence. Time to recap. Take a look at this sentence. Yesterday I wanted to visit my Nana, but I'd forgotten that she was on holiday in Skegness with her friend Brenda. Can you spot the coordinating conjunction in this sentence? Remember those fanboys? That's right, the coordinating conjunction in this sentence is but. For the final question, you are being asked to rewrite the sentences below as one sentence, using an appropriate coordinating conjunction. You may want to write the new sentence on a whiteboard or a piece of paper, or you may just want to say your answer out loud. Pause the video now and hit play when you have the answer. Do you have an answer? Fantastic. Let's take a look at the two sentences. We have time to visit the park. It is raining heavily. These sentences can be joined using the coordinating conjunction but. We have time to visit the park, but it's raining heavily. You could also have chosen the conjunctions and or yet. Well done if you got that question right. Thank you for listening.